Ladies, do I have the perfect pair of slip-on shoes for you guys? Introducing the Teva Women's ReEmber Vistaverse slip-on sneakers. And I just realized Teva, wow, it's been like over 40 years since the company has been in business. That's definitely appreciated. Okay, very nice. Teva brand we all know to love and trust. And who doesn't love a brand new shoe unboxing? It's so exciting. This isn't your everyday boring grandmother's slip-on shoes. Paying tribute to classic outdoor gear with 100% recycled ripstop, the Vistaverse's quilted upper takes cues from topographic lines. A weather-ready, woman's water-resistant shoe that's geared to go the extra mile. The slip-on silhouette enlists a Durabrasion rubber outsole and neoprene-like collar for ultimate foot-hugging comfort. So what you're seeing is the black colorway. There are a couple of exciting colors to choose from. And it's not just, I don't think it's purely black. It seems like kind of like a light and dark gray that blends in with the black to give you that nice shadowy accent. So what first stands out is the nylon material. And let's not forget it's waterproof too. This kind of like side liner on the top, split into a nylon, and this kind of feels like a suede material. Got the classic Teva logo right there. You got the pull strap in the rear foot and also the forefoot to get easy in and out of the shoe without worrying about shoelaces. And look at the bottom of the treading. It's got these triangular treading with the classic Teva logo. Very nice design, and it is somewhat flexible. Now, I'm curious to see if the insole is removable. Oh, it is fully removable. Check it out. Wow, that's a nice insole. It is pretty thick. And look at how soft and flexible it is. Wow, this feels like almost like memory foam material. And here's what the inside looks like. So it makes it easy to clean. Sometimes don't forget to clean your insole, you know. That's very nice addition. So the technology incorporates is the Teva Rapid Resist, which has been treated with a protective coating that allows water to bead off shredded materials. So that's their waterproofing. Also features a venture-ready, non-wicking, 100% recycled ripstop upper. So it's definitely earth-friendly design that's good for the earth and also eliminates waste, and it's lightweight. So this shoe is a USA woman size 6, Euro 37. Let's see how much it weighs. 9.03 ounces. That's lightweight indeed. And just for you guys, because I love you guys, I am going to measure the hardness of the midsole. And that gives us a reading of about 32. That's quite soft. That's quite soft indeed. Alright, enough talk because talk is cheap. Now it's time to test the water resistance. I'll let that one swim around while I play around with this one. Reaching in here, I don't feel any wetness. Heck, it floats pretty well. Nope, no wetness in here. It's definitely water resistant. Very nice. Perfect for wet, wintry, rainy situations such as Seattle. Alright guys and gals, the final verdict is in. It's both cute and functional. So if you're looking for a pair of easy slip-on shoes that you can wear pretty much all year round, especially in wet and wintry conditions, definitely check out the Teva Women's ReEmber Vistaverse slip-on sneakers with a recommended grade of 9 out of 10.